In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Afterpay in person with Square. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up Afterpay so you can use it in person when dealing with Square. So, to manage the payment methods currently accepted by your Square, you have to go over to the website and access the dashboard. So go to squareup.com/dashboard. This page will be available after you sign into your business account. Now, in here, on the left side of the screen, go over to Settings and select Account and Settings. Then switch over to Business Information and there will be a bunch of options. You have to go down to the payment methods. So as you can see, it's the one before last. When you go over to payment methods, immediately you will be able to find Afterpay. So right now, they have Afterpay and Tap to Pay on iPhone listed. All that you have to do from here is click on the three dots that would be at the right side of Afterpay and enable it either online or in store. Now you will notice that for me it is ineligible, so unfortunately I cannot show you how this looks on screen. Because my account hasn't undergone the verification process and been approved, I won't be able to show you fully. But all that you have to do in this page is click the three dots, select Afterpay, and you will be good to go. It's as simple as allowing Afterpay to be used from this page, and as long as you are eligible, it is going to be available as one of the payment methods when you use Square. Afterwards, you can browse through all of the options here to manage the transfers, all the receipts, and so on, but to actually manage Afterpay, you have to enable it from here. Likewise, you will be able to disable it altogether, and as you can see according to the description, let customers spread payments over interest-free installments available for online and in-person sales, which is what we're looking for. So as long as you do it here, you will be good to go. You can also click Learn More and they will redirect you to this page where you can see how the process works and how it looks. So it's as simple as setting up the Square hardware. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay in person with Square. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.